Hello students, class 7, subject maths, circle. So in this chapter we see in the last period the components of the circle, that is the radius, diameter and chord, etc. Okay, so today we will discuss about the circumference of a circle. Then what is meant by circumference of the circle? Circumference means what? So for that purpose we take one circular object. This is the lid of jar. Okay, so this complete outer surface of this lid is called as the circumference. Now how to calculate the circumference? So for that purpose we take one thread and put this thread to the outer circle of this jar, and in such a way we have got the circumference of this circle. Okay, in this way, suppose this is the distance of this circumference. We draw with the help of scale and then we will measure it with the help of scale. So this is the circumference distance. So we will measure with the help of this scale. This is your 30 centimeter, and then we measure, this is 9, means 39 centimeter. How many it is? So circumference of this lid is a 39 centimeter, isn't it? Then what is meant by circumference? Suppose any circle. Suppose we take circle in such a way and the outer surface from this one, if we cut the circle from this one to and measure the distance of this outer line of this circle, is called the circumference, isn't it? You got what is meant by circumference? Okay, nextly we see the relationship between the circumference and diameter. What is the relation between circumference and diameter? So for that purpose, this is the circle. Okay, we take another circle. We draw one circle with the help of this compass. In this way, this is the center, and we draw the diameter. In this way, suppose A, B is the diameter and C is the center. C is the center. Then circumference is denoted by C and diameter is denoted by D, isn't it? So relation of this circumference is what? This is the length of outer surface of this circle. So circumference denoted by C and the diameter denoted by D, and if we take the ratio of this circumference divided by diameter, we have got C by D, and C by D, this ratio is constant, and this constant is denoted by pi. Such type of, this is the Greek letter pi, and circumference by diameter, the ratio of this circumference and the diameter is constant, and this constant quantity is denoted by this pi, and the value of this pi is always be noted as, suppose 3.14 or 22 by 7. What is it? Pi is equal to 3.14 is equal to 3.14 or 22 by 7. Always be, you go take any type of circle, and if we take the ratio of this circumference and the diameter, then we will get the value of this pi is equal to 3.14 or 22 by 7. Isn't it? So we have got C by D is equal to, what is it? Pi. Now this is the ratio of this circumference and diameter. If we, from this ratio, if we calculate the circumference, then C is equal to get pi D. Pi D. What is D? D is the diameter, and we know very well that diameter is equal to double of radius. R stands for radius, and then if we put the value of this D, then we get pi 2r. If we reconstruct it, then we get 2 pi r. So C stands for circumference of circle. The circumference of circle, we get the formula, that is the 2 pi r. Isn't it? So on the basis of this, we take one example, then we have to clear that how the circumference is calculated. Okay? So example, find the circumference of a circle having radius 14 centimeter. What is it? We have to calculate the circumference having the radius of the circle is 14 centimeter. Isn't it? Now solution. We have given radius is equal to 14 centimeter, and we have to calculate the circumference, and we have need the formula of the circumference, and the formula of circumference is equal to C is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, C stand for circumference, r stand for radius, and pi is a constant, and which having the value here. The value is not given. The value of this pi each and every time or many times, the value of this pi does not given in the example, then we apply the value, or we put the value 3.14 or 22 by 7. Isn't it? So value we will put here. So C is equal to 2 multiplied by pi value we put here 22 by 7 multiplied by r stand for radius, and the radius is given 14 centimeter. Isn't it? Now calculate here. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So we will get here 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 2. So C is equal to 22 multiplied by 2, 44, 44 multiplied by 2 is equal to 88. 88, and the 14 is in centimeter. That's why the circumference of the circle is also given in centimeter. So in this way, we have to solve the examples on the basis of this circumference and the radius and the diameter. Isn't it? So we have homework. So homework is solve practice set 42 on the basis of this circumference. Okay, if you have any type of problem, then ask me. Okay, we will see you in the next video. Thank you.